This is an older residential smoke detector from my collection. This is a Pyrotector Smoke Sentinel 120 volt line cord operated smoke detector. It's pretty old. It's from the, I believe, the mid to late 70s. It's a photoelectric detector. It's got a test lever here on the side which does not work anymore. And like I said, it's powered by a line cord that you plug in the wall. On the back of the unit, which just hangs on a nail, you got your sounder on the back. I don't know if you can read that. I know my images on these things are crappy. This is my cell phone recorder, so that's why it's always fuzzy with these. It's a Faraday sounder. And you got your inlet for the smoke there, and of course in front. Now, as I mentioned, the test lever doesn't work, but the old cigarette will set it off. By the way, that LED there on there stays on. That just lets you know that it's got power. Yeah, turn on your volume, by the way. When this does trip, it's loud.